Hello, my name is Angela KUMAH, and I'm a PhD researcher at the Birmingham City University. I'm back again to talk about a program that I have been involved with as part of my role in my PhD. I've collaborated with a number of community organizations in Birmingham and the West Midlands, and one of them has been LGK Lucky's Greek Kitchen. That has provided a lot of food bank and digital literacy support to many families who have struggled during the COVID-19 pandemic. COVID has presented us in Birmingham and the whole world with a lot of unprecedented issues that have led to a loss of livelihood for a lot of people. And one of the needs that was identified during this difficult period was that people did not have food to eat. Because of the food poverty that was going on in the city, we needed to come up with a quick solution to support families, to be able to provide food, basic needs, cupboard food, so that people could feed their families and survive during such difficult times. So the designing of the Dishes of Change project, which was already running in the background, but only provided supports or provided digital literacy support for the preparation of Commonwealth dishes, expanded its scope and started to provide basic food parcels to different families within the city and taught them digitally on Zoom or via a learning management platform how to cook basic nutritious meals from the food parcels and food items that were delivered to them. Of course, the funding was necessary. And through the kindness of the Community Fund from the National Lotteries, we were able to support these families. And the provision of the support also came from various volunteers that were willing to go out and deliver food parcels to different families all around the city. Volunteers that were willing to come in and pack the food, and people that were willing to donate food as well. This project thrived on a constant evaluation process that saw to it that we understood what was working and what was not working before we moved on to different phases. So far, this project has run in 6-week blocks with different families, between 15 to 30 families referred to us during every block from different organizations. Most of these families on welfare or families that needed support. And the referral systems helped us to be able to identify the number of people in the family and identify addresses and identify other needs that needed to be met in order to provide a holistic form of support, whether it be financial or mental health support, in addition to the food bank and food parcel deliveries that were being done. So every 6 weeks, there was a different group of families. And over this period, we have supported over 150 families. And it's been such a joy to know that a basic food parcel and a conversation over Zoom can light up someone's day. So on the first picture is what a basic food parcel will look like, distributed to different families. And then at the end of the week, there's a Zoom video or a recorded video that they can watch and later interact with us through video call or through sending pictures to show us the nutritious meals that they have cooked from the food parcels, or basically fill in an evaluation form to just tell us what had happened with the food and if there was anything that needed to be changed or needed to be done. It's been exciting having conversations with people, learning how different people cook meals and how their culture influences how they make these foods. Our next picture is about our Dishes of the Commonwealth program, where food parcels or food boxes have been delivered to different families that have been interested in learning about a different Commonwealth country through food. Using a learning management platform, people have been able to learn about food and learn about the culture from Mauritius, from India, from Singapore, from Cyprus. It's been an exciting journey. We have traveled the world through food, and people have learned so much. But especially during these unprecedented times, people have had the opportunity to develop digital literacy skills. The coronavirus pandemic has definitely pushed our boundaries in understanding what we can't and can do. And we are well aware that it is possible to hold digital sessions or digital literacy sessions with families, with individuals, to provide support, whether be it mental health or, like this program has provided, cooking support for different families. We have had to rely severely or strongly on technology, and our organization or this charity has made use of the technology that has been available to us to support families and to get people involved in something that is different from their usual routine of sitting in meetings or being on the screen all the time with school work or office work, and doing something different, cooking as a family, cooking different meals from different countries and learning about different cultures. Our learning management system has supported people to learn about basic kitchen etiquette, knife skills, and even got some people level 1 and level 2 cooking qualifications. So it's been a very rewarding time with the different families involved. Of course, we cannot go away without acknowledging the fact that food plays such a huge role in mental health and well-being. And that's the kind of support we've tried to provide in our program during this period as well. That as people cook, people will also receive mental health tips. People will also receive supports from our team with a mental health expert on how to navigate the difficult situations that COVID has put them in. But I'm going to leave us with this quote from Hippocrates that says, "Let food be thy medicine and medicine be thy food." There's extensive research that talks about the nutritional benefits that food, good food, can provide to our health and well-being, especially mental health. The basic colors, different colors of food on a plate can make a person happy. The taste of the food, or the process of simply mixing or putting different ingredients together can support mental health and well-being. And in this time and period, we need to be able to explore more how our digital facilities or the digital resources available to us can push the boundaries of health and well-being by including conversations about food, by including digital skills that relate to cooking, that relate to diet, that go beyond simply being on Zoom for work meetings or for school sessions, but actually bring families together, bring individuals together, using the common language of food that we all speak in our different dialects. This program has been really rewarding for me, and I hope that it can be replicated, and I look forward to seeing it grow as the years go by, as we support many, many families, as we support individuals, as we support people with both digital skills and digital literacy skills, and also provide a holistic support that includes diet and nutrition and health and well-being and financial support, however and whenever we can. Again, my name is Angela KUMAH. I speak about this project in representation of LGK Lucky's Kitchen, and I am privileged to be sharing during this Digital Innovation for Mental Health Conference 2021. Thank you.